Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update app during close testing, and you can see the dashboard on close testing. You can see I have made it a simple app which is BMI Calculator Ultra. This is the really simple app I'm going to release on my Google Play console, and you can see this is the close testing I have running right now. You can see our release version 2.1 and last update was this. So let's see our manage track and click on manage release. You can see the app bundle and SDK is 35. Now we are going to update our app during this close testing. I have made changed about this app. You can see this is the app I have changed. My old app was very simple, but this one is upgrade, you can say, but also it's a simple app. Now we have to build this as generate signed app, and next and must you need to use your previous key store which was you have saved, because you have to use your previous key store. If you don't use this, your app will not update. So we have to use this, and also our package name will be the same, because if your package name not remain same, it will not approve or it will not work. So we have also set the package name as for this app. Now we are going to update our app. Just click on this. Now create a new release. And upload your app bundle. Now you can see we have the key store path, our previous key store, and set your key store password and click on next and select this release and create. You can see our Gradle build running, and also notice one thing, we have to change our app version also. You can simply change your app version on this build grade in app. Just set your version name. You can select anyone. If you select 3.1, it will be changed, but I have add this and it is the different. So after our app Gradle build, we will upload this. Just click on locate and just drag this here. Okay, this one is saying version code 3 has already been used. Try another version code. Now we are going to change our version to 3.1 and click on sync. Now let's build our generate signed app bundle again. Just remove this and drag this again here. I think it will show another error. Okay, as I said, it will reject again because you can see the version code 3 has been already used. Because you can see this is the version code. We're going to change this on 4 and click on sync now. Now let's build again. Okay, just go to locate again. Now you will see our app will be uploaded with correctly. Now you can see we successfully uploaded our app bundle here. And you can see the version 4 and 3.1 is the package. And you can see the release name. You can set any name. I will go for this default one. You can set the release note why you are update your app. So you can see you can write anything. Fix. We're doing this note. Okay. We're set this note and just click on next. And you can see changes to your supported device. Click on save and go to overview right now. Okay, we have to click on this send one change for review. Just simply click on it and click on it again. Now they are going to check this running quick check for commonly found issues. Okay, it will take up to 14 minutes. Now here you can see your changes are now in review. We may find additional issue when reviewing your app. So it's still now in review. We have to wait for a time. I don't know how much time it will take. So whenever it will take, I think it will be approved. So I hope this video will help you to update your app in close testing. So if you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much.